Hi, welcome to another video. Today we will discuss how to print pattern. This is a very common problem to all beginner programming student. Now this is our today's goal to print this pattern. To understand any pattern flow, we have to follow these 3 steps. First, draw a table size of mxm, where m is equal to number of maximum star. Second, search for pattern. And last step is code. Now always remember on output screen cursor always goes left to right and top to button. So if we visit from first row to second row, we never go back to previous row. If we follow the animation on screen, then we can find a specific pattern. For first row we have to only visit 1 column. Now for second row we have to visit 2 column. For third row we have to visit up to third column. So, according to this, we can say, in every row we have to visit same number of column. And also keep in mind, in every row we have to visit 1 or more column. So, row-specific loop will be outer loop and column-specific loop will be inner loop. Now move to coding part. It's working properly. Thanks for watching.